So today I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to make milk kefir using milk kefir grains. Welcome to the Seasons of Living. My name is Karen. Today's video is for those of you who have already decided you like to make milk kefir and you're ready to dive in and you want a quick reference. So let's get started. I use a wooden spoon and a plastic strainer, and I found that kefir grains do not like metal, so I think that's safest. So I always take my jar, I shake it a little bit to loosen the curd, pour it in the strainer. I've had these grains since 2012. Back when I had a State of Texas raw milk dairy. They've been fed lots of raw milk over the years and they're really healthy. I always keep my kefir jar inside a bowl in my cabinet in a safe place where it can't get knocked over. Okay, there we have our kefir grains. And I put, this time of year, I only make about a cup of kefir a day. I'm trying to help other people. My cow is not in milk, so I put my kefir grains back in the jar that I made the kefir. Because I'm just making a little bit. I'm trying to make as little mess as possible. And since I make very little, I just keep a quart jar in the refrigerator and I add to it. Just pour the kefir in this jar, just like this. Okay, so this jar has the freshly made kefir. I put it back in the refrigerator, just like this. And this jar, I've been making kefir in it for probably a week or two. It's kind of needs to change, but during the winter, right now, this is the quickest way possible. So this has my kefir grains. I'm using store-bought milk, just plain pasteurized. Do not use ultra-pasteurized milk. It will not work. I found this brand. I just make a tiny bit because I don't really like, I put my kefir grains to sleep, but so many people need kefir right now. And grains, because of illness, I've had to keep a little bit going. So even if you don't have raw milk and you just have to use store-bought milk, kefir is still super healthy and you get lots of probiotics. And I strongly encourage you to make your own kefir. It is so easy. The grains are, you can buy them online and develop them yourself or get them from a friend. Okay, now we're gonna cover our grains with a little bit of just regular pasteurized milk. Just a little bit, like, I think I'm just gonna do ½ cup today. And put a lid on your jar. And I'm just gonna put this, I keep it in a bowl so it won't make a mess. And I'm gonna put it in one of my upper cabinets for 24 hours. In the spring when my cow is in milk and I have plenty of raw milk, I make a quart of kefir a day. I put the kefir grains into a clean quart jar. And then I pour the kefir back into the jar. I put a lid on it and put it in the refrigerator. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it will help you and encourage you to make your own kefir at home. It is so easy, and please let me know. Please leave me comments. Please ask me any questions. I'm here to help. If you like simple, organic, old-fashioned living, please subscribe to our channel and please follow us on Instagram. Remember, if we can do this, so can you. Have a blessed day, and bye-bye.